What does it take to be a successful laundromat operator?
Yeah, I think a lot of people get intrigued by the laundromat industry because of the whole passive thing, right? Like there's a lot of influencers out there that are like,
Mhm.
yeah, just buy a laundromat, collect quarters and boom, you're a
Right.
millionaire. There's laundromat millionaire out there.
Yeah,
There's all
yeah.
sort of these
He's right
personalities that
in
make
yeah, right in your backyard.
yeah, another we're a hotbed for laundry, I tell you.
Right.
Um, but yeah, I think there's this big perception that you can just jump in and not have to do anything, right?
Mhm.
And at first, I mean, like I said, I was there a lot, you know, 5 in the morning before, my day job, 6 p.m. at night after. And so you need to be prepared to do those things at the beginning. But hopefully, as you grow the business, you can put people in place like managers, GMs, AGMs. So, um, yeah, I think people just need to be aware. It's like any business. What you put into it is what you get out. If you want a top-notch
Mhm.
product, you're going to need to spend top-notch effort and brain power and money on it.
Mhm. Mhm. Right, like any other business. Sure.
Yep.
What what advice would you, give, other laundry owners or maybe, prospective investors, that you wish you had 7 years ago when you were first getting into it? What advice would you like to share?
Yeah, I think it's just building out all of the revenue streams that can come with a laundromat.
Mhm.
When I first got into it, I thought, oh, we only make money from washers and dryers and self-service.
Mhm.
But you have self-service, you have drop-off laundry, you have residential pickup and delivery, you have commercial
Mhm.
pickup and delivery, you have vending, you have ATM, you have dry cleaning now for us outsourcing dry cleaning.
Yeah.
Um, it's just whoa! I did not realize there are this many revenue sources for a single laundromat. So
Right.
you want to plan for those. If you want to maximize your laundromat,
Mhm.
you want to build for those, you want to plan for those, and you want to take advantage of each one of those.
Right, don't overlook those opportunities and
Right.
as you say, build for them so you
Exactly.
can accommodate them for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
you don't want to have to turn down a 5,000 pound a week hotel because you have nowhere to store
Mhm.
the the sheets and towels and all of that stuff.
Right. Yeah.
That's a horrible business move, right? Like if you're not built to accept
Mhm.
awesome, awesome customers.
Mhm.
So I think, and again, a lot of laundromat owners are like, man, I wish my store was bigger. Wish I had bigger machines. It's like, we'll learn someday, right? Like we'll
Right.
figure it out.